जो प्यार बिहार ने मुझे दिया है, जो पलक पावड़े बिछा करके स्वागत किया है, मित्रों, मेरे जीवन में शायद हिंदुस्तान के किसी राजनेता के भाग्य में ऐसा दृश्य देखने का सौभाग्य नहीं मिला होगा। भाइयों बहनों, मैं आपके प्यार को ब्याज समेत चुकता करूंगा, ब्याज समेत चुकता करूंगा।
Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the man of developing India. Today's burning topic: whenever Modi Prime Minister candidates of the country for the 2014 elections is being discussed, it cannot be completed without mentioning Narendra Modi. My name is Achyut Sinha and I live in Patna, and as being a Bihari, I feel very proud. In my today's video, I am going to give you the answer of the question, or you can say I would like to share my views on this controversial question: how many seats will Bhajpa get in the coming 2014 elections in Bihar out of 40? Well, there are many surveys going on about it. Somebody is saying 16 or 20, but I am going to give my views into this as being a local. So whenever I go to school and I observe the view of the people regarding this topic, I can see that the heavy amount of teens, I mean almost 90% of the teens which are studying in class 9, 10, 11 who can't vote, I mean they are less than 18, are spectacular fans of Narendra Modi there, like I also am. And the teachers are also impressed with his excellence of work, and I listen Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi or Nitish Kumar, Narendra Modi or others, and we also share our views into this in any debates and in any speech these days. I visit any market or any public places or places near where I usually listen Modi all around in my locality, his Hunkar rally. I meet with people of different castes, creeds. Somebody is Rajput, Bhumiyar, Dalits and Muslims also. People often say that Gujarat 2002 riots Muslims are upset or hate Modi. Do you think the same? Well, I don't, because when I am visiting Ali Nagar, Fulwari Sharif or these places which are with Muslim majority in walking distance from my home, I can listen to the change of direction of air and Modi waves all around, and all the Muslims are talking these days about whether to give Narendra Modi vote or not, because they are quite impressed with the Gujarat State Hajj Committee. This being a season of preparation for the Hajj pilgrimage, it is important to see that the total quota for Hajj travelers in Gujarat is 3,500 seats, whereas the applications for Hajj have exceeded the count of 41,000 already. And going for the Hajj is an indicator actually of economical prosperity of a family, because in Islam it is mandatory to fulfill all your social obligations before going to Hajj. I have 30% Muslim friends and I hang out with them for the whole day, and one day I remember a conversation with one of them, and I asked him, "You hate Modi or not?" and he blushed at me, and I was shocked actually, and I asked him why, and he said that my father is going to give his vote to Narendra Modi and we all love him and we are supporting him. And when I asked him the reason, he said that his father was in Gujarat for 7 years before 2012 in Bharuch district, having large Muslim population, and there has been unprecedented growth in these districts. I also hear a lot of people saying that yes, Nitish Kumar had done a nice work for Bihar and I will vote for him, but not in the Lok Sabha elections, because my Lok Sabha election vote will be for NAMO. I will vote for Nitish Kumar in the Vidhan Sabha election. With the Ram Vilas Paswan led Lok Jan Shakti Party is all set to join NDA after a gap of nearly 12 years. Caste and community equation in Bihar are poised to change, forcing the imminent Congress RJD alliance and the Nitish Kumar led JDU to rethink their political strategies. And my personal view is that Bhajpa will now have support of the upper castes, Vaishyas, Paswan, and the part of Kodis, especially after the tie-up with Kushwaha. So I think that Bhajpa is all set to acquire nearly 28 to 29 seats in Bihar, and all this is happening after September 2013, when Bhajpa elected Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister candidate for the NDA. We love you, Narendra Modi, and thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, stay subscribed. See you later.
एकता का स्मारक है और एकता का संदेश है कि भाषा अनेक, भाव एक, राज्य अनेक, राष्ट्र एक, पंथ अनेक, लक्ष्य एक, बोली अनेक, स्वर एक, रंग अनेक, तिरंगा एक, समाज अनेक, भारत एक, रिवाज अनेक, संस्कार एक, योजना अनेक, मकसद एक, कार्य अनेक, संकल्प एक, राह अनेक, मंजिल एक, पहनावा अनेक, प्रतिभा एक, चेहरे अनेक, मुस्कान एक। ये एकता का संदेश लेकर के हम चले। और भाइयों बहनों, ये भारत की विशेषता है, विविधता में एकता। यही भारत की विशेषता है।